Um, I know it's late, right? But I wanted to do this watch list video as promised. You know, want to give y'all a breakdown on what I'm looking for. I guess on this one, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Try to do like under 5 minutes. All right. And I'm going to give you my top three and why these are my top three for this week. So let's get to it. All right. So, first one on my list is Microsoft. Now, we've already taken a position of Microsoft, right? Back here, right? It was, I believe it was a trick off like the daily, but we still got 1017 expiration. I'm looking to add more, tomorrow, as long as we get over 519.30, I'll be adding to that position. My goal here is to get to the previous month high. Why do I think it's going to get to the previous month high? Because we already swept the previous month low. So that's August. September candle swept that low, right? And bulls come back in. They got back over the open. So that means this is a failed two down. It failed to stay a two down candle, right? So we're pushing back up. Once we get over that 50%, so the previous month 50% level, we have a higher probability of taking out the previous month high. All right. And not to mention, we do have the power candles on the week. We have them on the 2 week, followed by a 2 reversal. So two down, two up reversals to the upside. So it lets me know, for the next 2 weeks, we should be good. We don't get a new candle on the 2 week until next Monday. All right. So this is good. All right. So this 2 week candle could continue to push. So we'll see on that how far we go. But the month looks great. All right. Power candles on the month. So this just lets me know like price wants to continue to move. And it's also an inside candle. Those are much easier to take out. Right? If you get a failed two and all that and get over the previous month 50, right? This is an inside candle. So it's like, boom, we can take that out with the quickness. All right. So that's why that's number one on my list. Let's go over to JOBY. JOBY did a nice spike Friday. That was a nice, pretty good move. I know the weeklies went crazy, but we're buying time, right? We want to have a very, very high probability of these trades working out, right? We may not get like probably Friday, they probably got, probably like 500% profit. That's cool, you know, make your money. But you got to think over time, can they do that consistently? The people who traded the weeklies, you know, but this is what I'm looking for. Simple, move above, the entry, which is $16.66. Boom. We go up, take out the previous month high, and we should get a bare minimum 200% profit, right? And this is my stop here. So please, 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 because I get, inboxes here and there, like when we trigger in the stock pool, we have one red day, but the weekly is still green, right? See, people don't even look at it, the whole picture. We have one red day, and then they're like, "Oh, you still in this trade? Did you get out?" No, I didn't get out because my stop is way down here. I'm giving this an entire month to play out, an entire month to play out. All right, we're still in September. This is October 17th. All right. I mean, I'm looking hopefully to get this move within 2 weeks. All right. But regardless, 200% profit. So focus on the goal. Entry, stop loss, target. That's the goal. Okay. Last but not least, Oracle. I'm really liking it. Ended inside week. We got an inside 2 week and 4 week. And go down to the daily. Nice setup. We pulled back. We made a swing high right here, pull back, boom, started to break back out. So we connected those two, broke trend. And this is the other thing. I'll end with this. This bad boy it has a short squeeze right here. Okay. And we're above this level on the CCI. So we're pushing. This is all momentum. And we have our power candles, which are pretty much momentum candles, right? It's letting you know that This is the maximum momentum that you can get. All right. So boom, breakout. I'm looking for us to make a quicker move. That's why I said the October 3rd expiration on the 330s, because we can hit that 300% profit very fast. We may hit it this week, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to buy a little time, so another week, just in case we don't hit it fast enough, right? But it should push. It should take off. You know, we got the setup. I mean, power candles all over the place. Man, this is crazy. This thing ready to go. I mean, just pure momentum everywhere. CC, I'm just looking at something real quick. CCI on the, yeah, it's just crazy, crazy momentum. Yeah, Oracle should do numbers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So anyway, I'll end with that. You know, I'm wishing everyone a very profitable week, and let's continue to get it.